different level of sellers on Amazon: startup, growth, and scale. If you are in the startup phase, it means you're still gathering information to learn a little bit more about how Amazon operates. If you're in the growth phase, then you've been selling on Amazon for the past 3 to 6 months, and now you're growing and focused on growing your business. And the scale phase means that you've been selling for almost 24 months, and now you are scaling or have scaled your business globally. No matter which phase that you are in, you always have questions, and that's why we created the Ask Me Anything About Amazon series right here on our YouTube channel. So let's get started. Hi, I'm Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society, and we are an Amazon SPN service provider certified by Amazon, and we operate right here in the Middle East. Congratulations to the winner, and if you want to win a consultation call with me where we talk about everything related to Amazon, all you need to do is make sure that you are subscribed to the channel, leave me a comment or a question in the comment section below, and like this video. So let's get started with the basic questions. No matter what level of seller you are at, all of these questions are going to be very beneficial for you, I promise. So make sure you watch the video till the end. Can anyone become an Amazon seller? And the answer is absolutely yes. Anyone can become an Amazon seller. You don't need to have studied something like computer science. You don't have to have a business degree. Almost anyone can become an Amazon seller, but to become a successful Amazon seller, you need to learn how the whole business operates, and you need to take your time in order to learn how everything operates correctly, how to choose the right product, how to sell that product, and everything and anything in between. How much does it cost to sell on Amazon? So the cool thing about this business model is, even though that you are selling on a platform that gets a lot of traffic, a platform that's very well known like Amazon, you're actually not charged anything, especially in the Middle East, unless you make a sale. So the cool thing about it is, if you sell a product, Amazon are going to take their own fees, and then you're going to take the rest. There's nothing that you pay upfront other than the cost of the product, of course, that you're selling, but that's your own inventory that you need to pay before you sell any unit. So one way to figure out what are the costs for selling a particular product on Amazon, let's take this water bottle, the Better Me Premium Dustproof 2.2 liter water bottle as an example. We can use helium-10. Let's open the drop down from helium-10 and use the profitability calculator. Let me close this. So just to let you know, we do have a discount code for you in case you haven't used it yet. If you want to use helium-10, get it at a discount, use our code, link in the description box of this video. So as you can see here, the price of the unit is $119.99. You can see it right here. These are the dimensions as well as the weight of the unit, which basically puts it as at the size tier standard parcel for Amazon FBA. So the FBA fee will be 8.50 dirham. Here, Helium-10 is giving you an estimation of how much this might cost for you to get from China at 24 dirhams per unit, with a freight cost of 2.77. I think these are very much off, but it doesn't really matter, because if you have talked to a supplier, then you should know what these numbers are yourself. Now, the storage fee based on the FBA fee, if we were to store 100 units, would be 48 dirhams. Let's put it down to 1. Then per month, you're paying 0.49 filis to store one product at Amazon per month. The referral fee is 12 dirhams. The referral fee is a percentage from your selling price and is based on your category. So right here, based on all of these numbers, you can see an estimation of how much it will cost you to not just buy the product, but also to sell it on Amazon. Do I have to manufacture my own products to sell on Amazon? So the cool thing about Amazon is that there are multiple levels, or let's call them business models, as to how you sell products on Amazon. You can be what is known as a reseller. Sometimes it's called retail arbitrage. Sometimes it's called wholesaling. I'm calling it reselling. So the concept of reselling is you log into Amazon and you find products that are already there, and you make sure that you can sell these products. So you don't need to even create a listing or think about the images or anything like that. You can resell. So basically, you're acting as a wholesaler. You go ahead and you find the supplier of these products somewhere in China or even in the local market where you live, and then you list your product and you start selling underneath that same listing. This is the most basic way of selling on Amazon, and honestly, it is the easiest. So if you want to dip your toe and learn a little bit more about how the whole Amazon operation works, then I would highly suggest that you test this business model or selling model out. Second selling model is private label, which basically means creating your own products and selling them on Amazon, and creating your own product pages and putting them inside of the Amazon catalog or the Amazon website. Now, quick example, this is what a private label product looks like. It looks exactly like a product on Amazon, but you'll find that there are no resellers, only one seller, which is Royal Polar, and it's branded under the Royal Polar brand. And as you can see, this is a private label seller that is selling on Amazon and currently #1 BSR for kitchen scales. Whereas this seller is selling a vegetable chopper, which doesn't look like it's branded if you look at all of the images. And as you can see here, there are over 30 other sellers selling the same exact product. Either way, you shouldn't be worried about which type of system you should follow. I would suggest that you just take action and get started, because that's the best way to learn. How do I promote my products on Amazon? Well, the beauty about selling on Amazon is that you don't need to worry about the traffic. Amazon worries about how many people are logging into the Amazon website. You don't need to worry about that. So everything you need to focus on is how you improve the visibility of your product on Amazon, how you get more people to see your product under more keywords or search terms. And that's where Amazon PPC ads come in. So the concept of PPC ads is that you either are telling Amazon for them to choose which keywords are good for you, or you are choosing the keywords that you think are good, and then you are basically showing your product under those keywords. The cool thing about PPC ads is that they are pay per click, so you only pay for the clicks that you get, but at the end of the day, if somebody doesn't click on your listing, then they can't buy it. You need to make sure that you know how this operates, because you might end up paying a lot of money on ads and not getting the sales that you want. If you want to make sure that I answer your question the next time we have an Ask Me Anything About Amazon video, just leave a comment or a question in the comment section below. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.